Welcome students. Today we will see topic Pisces. Here Pisces includes all the types of fishes, and these fishes particularly lives in the water bodies. The waters may be marine water or fresh water or estuarian. Okay, whatever the type of water, the living organism Pisces, they require water. Then we will see the general characters of these Pisces. Okay, class Pisces. Okay, it is, as we generally know, first they are aquatic, means lives in water. They may be herbivorous or carnivorous. Herbivorous means they may be living or eating on planktons, etc., or some grasses present in waters. And some Pisces are carnivorous, means they can eat small or other type of fishes as their food. The Pisces, they are cold blooded animals, means they cannot maintain their body temperature constant. As environmental temperature increases, their body temperature increases, and if outer or environmental temperature decreases, their body temperature also tends to decrease. Therefore they are called as cold blooded animals. The Pisces, they are oviparous or ovoviviparous vertebrates. Okay, oviparous or ovoviviparous. Okay, simply they are egg laying, and eggs are hatching to form the adult Pisces, while some Pisces or some fishes, they directly give birth to young ones. Okay, then moving to another general characters, their body is spindle shaped. It is streamlined and differentiated into head, trunk, and tail. Tail is the propulsive organ in the waters. Then next general character, their locomotion. Here locomotion occurs by paired pectoral and pelvic fins. These two types of fins are paired fins, along with median dorsal fin and caudal fins also present for the purpose of locomotion. And these fins are supported by fin rays. By using their fins, they can move inside or swim inside the waters. The next, exoskeleton. Dermal scales or denticles or bony plates covering body surface, they are present as exoskeletons. Okay, then endoskeleton. There are two types of endoskeletons present in Pisces. Some fishes or Pisces have cartilaginous endoskeleton, while some fishes or Pisces, they have bony endoskeleton. Okay, and present, depending on this general criteria, Pisces are majority or roughly divided into two groups, chondric thighs and ostick thighs respectively. Okay, that we will see in classification. The next general character, their jaws are hinged type. The next, their muscles are arranged into various segments called as myostomes with separate dorsal and ventral parts. Here in Pisces, digestive system is well developed. It starts from mouth, then it has stomach, digestive parts, intestine, and last colon and rectum. All, generally all or particular parts of the digestive system are present. Then respiration, very important point. Here respiration, it occurs by specialized organs called as gills. The gills include gill slits, there are 5 to 7 pairs. They may be naked or covered by the operculum. And by using these gills, all the fishes or pisces, they used to respire inside the waters. Okay. Then heart is two chambered. It includes auricle and ventricle. Sinus, venous, and renal portal system is also present. Here, blood of Pisces, it includes erythrocyte cells which are nucleated. Nucleus is present in the erythrocyte cells. Then, for the purpose of excretion, kidneys are present. These kidneys are mesonephric types in the Pisces. Then they have brain with 5 parts and 10 pairs of cranial nerves arises from the brain. Along with the body, lateral line system is present in the Pisces. It is also an important character of this Pisces. Then next, ears are mainly for the purpose of equilibrium. They are not well developed. But olfactory organs or nasal sacs, they are present in pairs. Here male and female, these are separate in Pisces. Gonads are typically paired. Gonoduct, they open into the cloaca, or in some fishes they open independently. Then fertilization, both type of fertilization observed in the Pisces. The fertilization of male and female gametes may be external or internal type of fertilization. But here eggs are large with large or more amount of yolk. Their development is direct and sometimes it is with metamorphosis, or metamorphosis may be absent in some Pisces. Okay, these are the general characters of the Pisces. We'll stop here.